As is, we been working the whole night trying to locate these people. Eventually, we arrived at the place of Mazimtoti, the area of Mazimtoti where we at. It's a very beautiful apartment. This suspect arrived here with intentions to come and hire the vehicle. There's an individual here that is renting out the cars, and he has rented out cars to him before. And he arrived this morning, or yesterday morning, to come and rent a vehicle from him. And allegedly, the guy says, upon seeing his face on the media, he then decided that he's not going to give him the vehicle, but he stayed with him the whole day, trying to convince him to hand himself over. And he confessed, according to the witness, the owner of the place. He said he confessed to him on what he did in Joburg. And he wanted to commit suicide. And when he asked him about the second suspect, he told him that the other suspect said he's going to Zimbabwe. So he has disappeared, and we're still trying to locate him as well. So we eventually, when the team arrived here, was able to get into this apartment. And in this apartment, they knocked and they came in, and unfortunately there was an engagement inside, and the suspect was fatally wounded.
Sani, Bonani, Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Lapho-ke kade uzwela uGeneral Mkhwanazi echaza-ke ngokwenzekelile kuFezile Ngubane okuwumunye okade efunelwa lelicala lelela lentokazi yaseGoli abayithatha bayibulala beyihenga ngokuthi bayiletha kwi-date kanti cha akunjalo bafuna ukuthi bayibulale. So-ke uFezile Ngubane-ke i-incident iyenzakale ku-Honorolong Mongale waseGoli eSenthini oyisihlobo saChrysalda Khanande simaziyo kakhulu ngezokholwa and all of that. Bayaxwayiswa-ke usisi bethu ukuthi cha impela engathi bangaqaphela, kodwa-ke futhi abaningi bathi bangaqaphela kanjani ngoba phela usisi lo obulawiliwe ukwenza konke obekusemengabade kumele ngabe ukwenzile, wathatha ama-location, watshela umndeni wakho ukuthi uyakuphi uyohlangana nobani, kanti vele-ke laba bebefuna ukuthi bambulale. Ngokuchaza komngane-ke kaFezile, njengoba la etholiwe laphaya eMazimtoti, uthi behleli naye, uthi cha bengayona inhloso ukuthi abambulale untombazane lo, and bebeqala ukuthi babulale umuntu ingoba usisi wanqaba ukubanikeza imali, yibona basuke beyifonela imali. But then it's a bit tricky. Ungaze usuke le eThekwini udrive uze eGoli, upetrol nje lowo, bese uzofuna imali futhi ukuthi bambona ngathi uyisicebeni usisi angazi. Kodwa-ke nansi nevideo yakhe uGuy lo usefile, usebeke sedutshulwa kamaphoyisa-ke, naba-ke sebeyamhudula-ke kuzoyibona ivideo la waseke esichazile ukuthi kwenzakaleni, wasethi uyaxolisa kumndeni wakhe kanjalo naku abazali bakhe. Okubuhlungu-ke ngoFezile sidafact ukuthi umama wakhe uboshiwe kanjalo nobaba wakhe uboshiwe, yena usejele. Baba wakhe uboshelwe ukuthi imoto ibhilonga kuyena, uma wakhe uboshelwe ukuthi ukuthe kusahanjwa kuyofuna uFezile ngoba besekushiwo ukuthi ungakuphi. Umama wasiyahamba-ke wayotshela ingane yakhe wayifonela ukuthi amaphoyisa ayeza lapha eNanda, waseyabaleka-ke waya eMazimtoti, nakuyilapho ukuthi bathi according to a friend ubeyofuna imoto ukuze athathe imoto ahambe futhi abaleke. Ngiyayibuza futhi uFezile wayelokhu efuna ukubaleka ngemoto, ngabe sekunje fanele ngabe nje manje ufaka izibuko, nanokuthi kanti ama-suspect kanjani. Uyazi ukuthi uyafuna awufakani izibuko, ufaka i-cap, ufaka imask, bese uyazulazulayo. Bebona nje ube umuntu nje futhi ngcono uqashe Uber driver bazokusaba. Why ngintshela ama-tips anyway? Uber driver uzosaba vele ukutshela amaphoyisa bakuqathaze yabo, uthola ukuthi nje manje uhlele etendeni elithile, uhlele ehlathini, thola ingubo ucashe, like wayocasha emafletini futhi wayocasha ama-apartment. Ithini into kanti igebengu ziyilima yini? But the good news is Fezile is no more. Ushonile lo mntana naye lo shonile akangcwatshwa ngisho ungcwatshwa, kodwa nje sekumahliphi nje, sekuneyidumbu, kunabantu ababoshiwe, and which we really believe and say ispirit sakhe uHonorolongo lo siyasebenza kakhulu.